Hi everyone, good afternoon. How's everyone doing? Happy Thursday. Well, today guys, it's my son's birthday and we decided to go out with my other son, eldest son, to have lunch. So on our way home now, we just have a long stroll around the park, and we saw some plants, blackberries. Look, we it's really nice to see those blackberries on the road. Plenty of them. Anak, tignan, pakita mo yung isa-isa na. Yeah, plenty of them. Look guys. So this is a very nutritious fruit,
and it's natural,
and it's all natural because it's fresh from the plants. So it's like a vine, and we didn't know that those are edible before because we saw it in green. Now it's all red and purple. So yes, and we are on our way home now. So we are on a intersection. So this is my son Kirsten, who is celebrating his birthday today. How old are you, Kirsten?
18.
Now he's 18 plus 9 years.
18. Forever young.
Yes, forever young like me.
Oh, my mom's too old.
So guys, thank you for watching, and for those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are watching from, and we can shout out on the next live. So we're here, we're waiting for our turn, and it's our turn to cross the road. We don't need to run. So guys, yeah, it is cloudy today. It is cloudy, and it was a little bit
very windy earlier.
Yeah, very windy. But at least it didn't rain, though we have this raincoat again because we want to make sure we're not going to get wet when it rained. So yes guys, and since it is Thursday, remember, every Tuesday and Thursday
live webinar, guys.
Yes, we have our live webinar where you can learn about the business and see what we offer. And there are also testimonials from business owners around the world. Some are with different professions and nationalities, and yes, so some of them are healthcare worker, some are in the bank, some are nurses, teacher, caregiver. Yes, name it guys. So if you want to learn more about this business, the business that gives us flexibility of time, that we can bring anywhere, anytime, so you can register your name and valid email address on our website. His website is
KirstenAmpelocchio.com,
and mine is RoselleAmpelocchio.com guys. So my link is on my bio if you are interested, and you can ask questions.
Just message
us.
We're here,
and we're here guys to
guide
you and help you get started. So I think that's all for today, guys, and happy Thursday and advance happy weekend tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.